Yes, let repair products cure longer than the label if you need stronger anchors or plan to hang weight. For wall repairs meant to receive anchors, choose a patching compound or epoxy rated for structural load and follow the manufacturer directions for mixing and temperature. Work in layers for deep holes and compact each layer so trapped air is minimized and density increases. Thin layers cure more reliably than one thick mass. Keep ambient temperature between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit and relative humidity low when possible because both slow or speed cure times dramatically. Use a fan or dehumidifier to control conditions if your space is not ideal. If you are installing anchors into a cured patch, test pullout on a small scale by applying gradual load and watch for movement or cracking before committing to the full weight. For lighter items, wait the minimum time, but for anything that bears force like shelving or towel bars, allow at least overnight curing and preferably 24 hours plus to reach near full strength. When using slow curing epoxies or polyester fillers, remember their working time may be short while final cure is long, so plan clamp times and support until you are certain the material supports the load. Common mistakes include relying only on label cure times as if they are universal. Different temperatures and humidities change cure, so compensate by extending drying time to avoid weak anchors. Another error is overfilling or applying one thick layer, which traps solvents and leads to incomplete cure. Instead, apply multiple thin layers and allow each to firm before adding the next. People also skip testing by assuming the repair is strong. Do a simple gradual load test and inspect for micro cracks or displacement before mounting heavy items. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors for repairs and installations related to anchors and wall work, and we help contractors find jobs in their service area. We also host an active discussion community where we and other users share real-world tips, product experiences, and timing advice.